For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Car insurance in New York can be costly, but with the help of AI, finding cheaper rates is easier and faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence can analyze countless quotes, understand your driving behavior, and optimize your policy to match your specific needs. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to use AI tools and techniques to find cheap car insurance in New York. Step 1. Understand New York's car insurance requirements. Before shopping for insurance, it's important to know what coverage is required in New York. Minimum coverage includes $25,000 for bodily injury per person, $50,000 for bodily injury per accident, $10,000 for property damage, $50,000 for no-fault personal injury protection, PIP, $25,000/$50,000 uninsured motorist bodily injury coverage. These minimums are mandatory, but often not enough to protect you fully in case of an accident. However, understanding this helps you compare quotes accurately when using AI tools. Step 2. Use AI-powered comparison websites. AI comparison tools analyze hundreds of policies in real time. Best AI-based platforms include Jerry.ai, uses AI to instantly compare dozens of quotes and automatically switch to a cheaper policy if it finds one. The Zebra allows AI filtering of policies based on your driving habits, location, and desired coverage. Insurify offers personalized policy matches using AI and machine learning based on your driving record and financial profile. Gabi analyzes your current coverage and checks for cheaper alternatives automatically. How to use them? Enter your personal and vehicle information. Let the AI recommend multiple policies. Compare the options side by side. Select the best balance of price and coverage. Step 3. Use chatbots to ask smart questions. Many insurance providers and comparison platforms now use chatbots powered by AI to help guide your decisions. Ask these questions to chatbots. Can I get discounts for safe driving? Are there better rates if I bundle home and auto insurance? What's the best coverage for someone who drives less than 5,000 miles a year? Are there providers that ignore minor tickets? These AI chatbots learn from millions of customer interactions and tailor their responses to your situation, helping you uncover savings the human agent might miss. Step 4. Use AI to monitor driving habits with telematics. Several insurance companies in New York offer telematics programs. These involve downloading an app or using a device that monitors your driving behavior. How it helps? Track safe habits like smooth braking, low speeds, and daytime driving. Offers personalized discounts up to 40% based on your driving style. Reduces rates for infrequent drivers. Apps that use AI to monitor driving include Progressive Snapshot, Geico Drive Easy, State Farm Drive Safe and Save, Allstate DriveWise. Enroll in one of these programs, drive carefully, and let the AI system calculate a discount for you based on real data. Step 5. Leverage AI financial tools to adjust your budget. AI budgeting apps like Clio, Rocket Money, or Inab can track your spending and identify how much you can afford for car insurance without straining your budget. Use these apps to create a realistic insurance budget. Identify wasteful spending you can reallocate toward better coverage. Set alerts if your premium increases or if a cheaper option becomes available. Some of these apps even recommend cheaper financial products or notify you when insurance rates drop in your area. Step 6. Get customized AI recommendations based on risk profile. Some AI insurance platforms generate quotes based on behavioral and financial data instead of just demographics. How to take advantage? Upload your current insurance documents to platforms like Gabi or Policy Genius. Let the AI analyze your coverage gaps and risk level. Receive personalized recommendations on how to reduce your premium. This helps avoid overpaying for unnecessary coverage and underinsuring your most common risks. Step 7. Ask AI assistants to review policy terms. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini to review complex insurance policy documents. Steps. Paste your policy terms into the AI tool. Ask the assistant to identify unnecessary add-ons or redundant coverage. Request clarification on confusing language. Use the AI suggestions to streamline your coverage and reduce costs. This ensures you're only paying for what you need and not for vague terms or hidden fees. Step 8. Automate insurance renewal with AI alerts. Set up AI-based reminders to review your policy before it renews. Tools like Policy Genius, Gabi, or even Google Calendar with AI integrations can notify you when your policy is about to expire. Rates have dropped. New providers offer cheaper coverage in your zip code. Switching providers at the right time can save hundreds per year. Step 9. Bundle policies using AI matching. Use AI platforms to find insurance bundles, home, renters, motorcycle, etc., with multi-policy discounts. Steps. Input your current coverage, home, renters, etc., into the AI comparison site. Let the system find providers that offer bundles. Compare the total bundled cost versus individual policies. Bundling can save you 10 to 25% on each policy. Step 10. Maintain a clean driving record with AI coaching. Apps like Driverly and SmartDrive use AI to provide real-time coaching tips for safe driving. Features include alerts when you're speeding, suggestions to avoid high-risk areas, a weekly reports on driving score and improvement tips. The better your score, the lower your long-term insurance premiums. Step 11. Let AI track and contest errors on your driving record. Inaccurate points or violations can increase your premium unfairly. Use AI-based background check apps like Checker or Intellius to monitor your driving history for errors. Get alerts if new points appear. Use AI-generated templates to dispute inaccurate records with the DMV. A clean record is key to keeping your insurance rate low. Step 12. Periodically reshop using AI. Even if you're happy with your current insurer, prices fluctuate. AI tools can recheck your quotes every few months automatically. Set it up on Jerry.ai. Runs background checks every 6 months and switches if savings are found. Gabi constantly monitors and suggests switches. You don't need to do anything manually. Let the AI keep hunting for better deals. Conclusion. Getting cheap car insurance in New York doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right use of AI tools, you can automate, optimize, and personalize the entire process from start to finish. Whether you're a new driver, switching providers, or just trying to save, AI can do the heavy lifting by analyzing data, recommending ideal policies, and helping you make smart decisions. Start today by comparing quotes with an AI-powered platform and building from there. Your wallet will thank you. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.